Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be making this delicious chicken recipe that is so crunchy on the outside and extremely juicy on the inside. So guys, let's start cooking. As usual, a full list of all the ingredients will be in the description box so you can check it out there. Firstly, you'll be needing chicken breast. This is already deboned and deskinned, all-purpose flour, corn flour, about 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, any seasoning of your choice. I'll be using this all-purpose seasoning, some seasoning cubes, and then some salt. Also vegetable oil for frying. So let's start. Firstly, you want to cut up your chicken into bite-sized pieces. You can just try to make them as uniform as possible. Next, I'll be transferring all of them into a bowl. So this is what the chicken looks like now. In a big bowl, I'll move on to add my all-purpose flour. I'll add my corn flour, I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. Like I said, feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. I'm going to add my baking powder, some salt, and more seasoning. So next, we are going to give this a quick mix. I'm going to be using a whisk, but you can use whatever you have available. Just make sure it is well combined. So you give this a quick mix, and then we'll move on to adding our chicken and follow through with our egg. So now we're just going to mix this together. You want to really take your time to mix this because you want your chicken to be well coated. So take your time, mix this properly until your chicken is fully coated. And guys, if it's your first time on our channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Here on Easy Meals on a Budget, we show you how to make delicious meals from the comfort of your home, and obviously on a budget too. So as you can see, it's fully mixed, and then we're going to move on to fry. I'm just going to be using this wooden stick to test my oil. Once you can see the bubbles, you know your oil is hot enough, and then I'm going to add in my chicken. Quick tips guys, you really don't want to overcrowd your pan, so when doing this, make sure you don't add in too much at a time. And also, you are going to be frying on medium heat, so make sure the heat is not too low and make sure it is not too high. Medium heat is fine. So we're going to flip the sides now. As you can see, it's golden brown on one side, so we're going to flip this until it's fully cooked on both sides. So as you can see, this is golden brown now. It's fully cooked, and we're going to just set this aside. I'm going to be repeating this process for the remaining chicken I have. So we're just going to be putting this in the oil. So I'm just going to quickly flip the sides because it's been frying for a while, and then it's off the fire. Guys, so easy. And guess what? This is ready. Feel free to pair this with any sauce of your choice, and you are going to absolutely love it. Guys, if you have not, please make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and most importantly, let me get your feedback in the comment section. I really love to know if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll catch you in our next video. Bye.